This is Jeff Jaquest of Boatshed, Norfolk, aboard the Mayland Safari, looking at the engine, which is only done under 5 hours and is brand spanking new really. Nice little first time buy. Currently in the cockpit obviously, and round to the tank. Walking through to the open plan saloon, forward V-berth, good upholstery, and round to a sink with a bit of a worktop. Headlinings and escape hatch. And looking aft. If you're interested in this boat, please go to www.boatshednorfolk.com, and thanks for watching.